Get out of the hole. Whee! Woohoo! That's fun. Come on, Hockley, come get it. Grab hold. Woo! Good job. Is Daddy giving you a ride with the vacuum cleaner? Whoa.
Mini wheats on the floor.
Grab hold, Hockley. Grab on. Whee! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Whee! Good job. Grab it. Go grab it. Grab both hands. Grab with both hands. Good job. Whee! Oh! That's fun? Grab on. Grab on. Oh, good job. Okay, now crawl over here. Make him crawl to it. Come here. Sorry, Mila, I'm ignoring you. Come crawl to it. Come on. Maybe go a little closer. Go get it. Come on, Hockley. Go get it. There you go. Good job. I'll let him get it, Rob.
You say don't let him get it?
No, I said let him get it. Woohoo! Holy, is that fun? I should have took off his teenies and then he could have slid better. Who wants to slide again? Here, grab hold. Whee!
Here,
Whee! Grab a hold. He's like, no way, I'm playing with this mat now. Hockley, come grab the vacuum. Go on, grab it. What are you doing? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, is that Bright? Come here, crawl to me. Or you can crawl to the cat. Where's the cat? Hockley, where's the cat? Oh, good job. Where's the cat? Where's Tucker? There he is, he's outside.